From Sooner Standards. Modeling a Simple Packet Protocol. A complete Grade 6 computer science unit for Oklahoma Standard 6NINCO01. Students learn to model a simple protocol for transferring information using packets. Inside. A full teacher guide with pacing, misconceptions, and a scoring rubric, plus a content lesson with built-in comprehension checkpoints. This unit includes a standard mastery rubric for teachers and parents, a visual comparison chart of protocol steps, a CS Careers connection, and an AI connection, all built to the Oklahoma HQM rubric. Plus a 10-question assessment with answer key, group and individual activities, vocabulary puzzles, a family letter, and a certificate of achievement. That's 3 to 4 days of no prep, HQM-aligned instruction across 34 ready-to-print pages. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.